What happens if you eat sweet potatoes regularly? It can be said that among thousands of vegetables, sweet potatoes are the most nutritious. In 100 grams of fresh sweet potatoes contain 109 calories, 24.6% starch, 4.17% glucose. Fresh potatoes contain 1% protein, 0.1% fat, minerals such as manganese, calcium, copper, vitamins A, B, C, etc. So, what happens if you eat sweet potatoes regularly? 1. Lose weight. Eating sweet potatoes every day in moderation will support weight loss quite well. Sweet potatoes help you feel full longer, limit hunger and cravings for snacks. Sweet potatoes are also a low-fat food. Therefore, we often see this food frequently present in weight loss menus. 100 grams of mashed sweet potatoes provide 86 calories, less than the calories in yams and potatoes. Sweet potatoes are sweet, but do not increase blood sugar. The natural sugar in sweet potatoes is slowly absorbed into the blood, creating a source of energy for the body. Instead of snacking on bread, choosing sweet potatoes when hungry helps control weight better. To lose weight, eat sweet potatoes for breakfast and before lunch or dinner to reduce food intake. Research shows that instead of eating 1 to 2 bowls of rice every day, replacing it with 1 to 2 sweet potatoes can reduce 20 to 25% of calories consumed by the body. Hash number 2, good for digestion. One of the health benefits of sweet potatoes is that it helps improve digestive problems and intestinal health because this tuber has a high fiber and antioxidant content. The World Health Organization recommends that a diet rich in fiber can help maintain healthy digestive function and reduce the risk of intestinal diseases. The fiber in sweet potatoes also helps increase the number of beneficial bacteria in the intestines, improve digestion, and reduce constipation. Some types of fiber, including soluble and insoluble, can also be fermented by your colon bacteria, creating compounds called short-chain fatty acids that provide energy for your intestinal mucosal cells and keep them healthy. Some studies show that people who regularly eat sweet potatoes are less likely to suffer from digestive diseases or uncomfortable constipation. Hazard 3. Eating sweet potatoes every day helps beautify the skin and fight aging. Sweet potatoes contain a lot of vitamins, minerals, especially vitamin C, which can help nourish the skin and speed up the skin's metabolism. Vitamin A stimulates the production of white blood cells, helps maintain healthy endothelial cells, and regulates the growth of skin cells. Sweet potatoes can also help replenish qi, replenish blood, and accelerate blood circulation in the body. Therefore, if you eat sweet potatoes for breakfast for a long time, your skin will become more and more rosy and healthy. Research published in the European Journal of Pharmacology and Biology shows that sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which can help prevent cell damage that leads to premature skin aging and other skin diseases. Carotenoids in sweet potatoes are effective antioxidants. This substance can protect the body from the effects of ultraviolet rays, gases, and other pollutants in the environment. Thanks to that, cells in the body can slow down the aging process, helping to prevent and reduce the risk of many chronic diseases. HA4 improves vision. The significant amount of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene in sweet potatoes helps improve vision. This vitamin is not only important in the formation of various pigments responsible for the absorption of light by the eye, but also in maintaining the proper structure of the retina. Severe vitamin A deficiency is a concern in developing countries and can lead to poor vision and can also be a cause of blindness. Furthermore, vitamin A deficiency is also associated with eye diseases such as xerophthalmia, corneal ulcers, and conjunctivitis. Eating foods rich in vitamin A, such as sweet potatoes, can help prevent eye diseases, helping to keep your eyes healthy. Some test tube studies have also shown that anthocyanins in sweet potatoes can protect eye cells, and they may be important in protecting overall eye health. SHAR5 can enhance brain function. Some animal studies have shown that purple sweet potatoes contain anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and prevent the harmful effects of free radicals, which can help protect the brain. Anthocyanin is a powerful antioxidant, so the use of sweet potatoes can help improve learning ability and enhance memory effectively. NASH6. Regularly eating sweet potatoes helps prevent cancer. Sweet potatoes provide many different antioxidants, especially purple sweet potatoes are effective in fighting cancer. purple sweet potato components have the effect of inhibiting the growth of certain types of cancer cells, such as stomach cancer, breast cancer, bladder cancer, colon cancer. In purple sweet potatoes, there is a high concentration of anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants, which is the reason why purple sweet potatoes are useful in fighting breast cancer and stomach cancer. Extracts from sweet potatoes can kill prostate cancer cells, ensuring that the cancer does not spread or develop to any other part of your prostate. An experiment on mice also showed that mice that ate a lot of purple sweet potatoes had a lower rate of early-stage colon cancer, which suggests that the anthocyanins in potatoes may have a protective effect. #7. Sweet potatoes have anti-inflammatory effects. Sweet potatoes contain abundant beta-carotene, especially yellow sweet potatoes. A cup of yellow sweet potatoes can even meet 375% of the recommended daily requirement of beta-carotene. This is an effective anti-inflammatory ingredient that helps prevent and reduce symptoms of inflammation in the body. #8. Reduce stress and improve mood. Bolsky Page said that iron and magnesium in sweet potatoes provide energy to the body, reduce stress. Potatoes are a suitable food for winter, helping to reduce the risk of colds, flu, and the boredom and lethargy of cold days. When choosing between sweet potatoes and rice, most people choose sweet potatoes because they are sweeter. Eating sweets in the morning can lift our mood and make our mental state more positive. Although sweet potatoes have many health benefits, is it good to eat too many sweet potatoes? The answer is no. Some of the harmful effects of sweet potatoes when we tend to abuse this food include: eating a lot of sweet potatoes can increase the risk of kidney stones. The reason is that sweet potatoes contain a high amount of oxalic acid. When consumed in excess, this substance cannot be eliminated from the body in time, causing the kidneys to be overloaded. Oxalic acid accumulates to form small kidney stones that gradually grow larger over time. Sweet potatoes contain a type of carbohydrate called mannitol. When consumed in excess, they will cause stomach discomfort with symptoms of bloating, flatulence, and abdominal pain. Eating sweet potatoes in moderation can stabilize blood sugar at normal levels, but eating too much can cause blood sugar levels to spike. This is not good for pre-diabetic or diabetic patients. Sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, good for the heart, but if you eat too many sweet potatoes, it can lead to excess potassium, which can cause side effects such as potassium poisoning, hyperkalemia, chest pain, heart attack, etc. When you eat too many sweet potatoes, you tend to reduce your consumption of other foods. This leads to nutritional imbalance, which is not good for your health. Some notes when eating sweet potatoes. The skin of sweet potatoes also contains many vitamins and minerals. Therefore, when preparing sweet potatoes, you should limit peeling the potatoes. You should thoroughly wash the dirt on the outside and boil and eat the skin. To achieve the best results, sweet potatoes should be prepared by steaming, boiling, or baking to retain their nutritional value. And you should avoid cooking methods such as frying that can lose nutrients and increase the amount of fat that is not good for your health. Although sweet potatoes bring many health benefits, we should only eat sweet potatoes every day in moderation. It is recommended that a healthy adult should not eat more than 2 sweet potatoes per day, equivalent to 300 grams. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share if you find it useful. Wish you all a day full of energy.